Once you make your Prezi account, you can now sign in onto Prezi. So to do that, first of all, you have to go to prezi.com and click on login over here on the top right. And here you can type in your email address and the password that you use to sign up with and click on login. So once you do that, what happens is that you get logged in onto your account and you will be able to access out the Prezi homepage. And to access out Prezi Video, you can click on Prezi Video right here. So to get started and to create a new video, you can click on quick record right here. So once you do that, what happens is that Prezi Create opens up and you can allow out your camera right here. And if you have your camera plugged in, then you will see your image right here. So over here, you have different navigation options right here to start recording out your video. And that is how you can sign in onto Prezi Video and then create a new file that is a new video file. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.